I'll be back. I'll be back. If your hoes feel like you're bigger than me on the internet, you're sick in your head. Talking about, oh, I'm making millions. Bitch, you're not making more money than me. I put it on my life. You're not making more money than me. You're not making more money than me. In 1 month, I make 50,000 US off of OF in 1 month. $50,000 in 1 month. You'll be surprised if I show you my balance right now. You're not making more money than me. What you fucking mean? Oh, and when I was over favorited, you only come play with me over there to get 1 million coin. Bitch, Swissly and World Dog was the first person to go on favorited. Swissly, World Dog, Rebel, and Dummy. And then bring me over there. I even have more followers than you and fucking favorited. I had big shooters over favorited. That's where I met Eddie, one of my biggest shooters. And then them come over here on TikTok. I saw Eddie find TikTok and come give me. What the fuck you talking about? You can be bigger than me in your dreams. Bitch, you could never be bigger than me. Never in your life. Are you mad? The bitch is just crazy. If my chat is calling you a man, I cannot do anything because you do look like a man. Like, what the... Look at this hoe. Hold on. I gotta log out of this page. Girl, if my chat are saying that you look like a man, what am I gonna say? Look at you. And she's so fucking lie, bro. Bro, she's so fucking lie. She's so fucking lie. She said, me did always want to tell her. Show me the screen record where I said that. I never say, me never say you look like man, and me did want to tell a long time. Me say the people them say you look like man, and where is the lie? Me not go correct them if them a tell the truth. That's what I said. And the reason why me said that was because me said this. Look. Hold on. She make one screen recording. Oh, them. I'm gonna see if I could find it. Listen what she said in that screen recording. That video is long enough. Let me scroll up. Somebody in my group. This group. I say. It's long. I can't even play it. Only go watch that video here. Only can go watch that video there. She said in the video, say why she have about 4,000 to 3,000 people in our WhatsApp group, and why she go like, so basically she said she have so much people in our group and she not go look for see what them I said daily, and why should she block out the people them for me, some shit like that. She said some shit like why like should I say why she put me over fear people them, some shit like that she say. And that's why since night now, I'm just said that since night right here, so when me have on this a closure. Yeah, she said she can't monitor everybody, and if she can monitor everybody for me, me sit down and depend live in a this a closer when me and doing them a play. And me say if me not go correct the people them because you look like man for true. Bro, I personally feel if you have somebody that you call your associate or your best friend or whatever, the people them send in the group and say, Ivany the next victim. What the fuck that mean? I don't even know that nigga from I was playing a match with somebody. On TikTok. I request somebody, I'm like, hey, wanna battle? The person say yes. The person start telling me about signs and what they mean in a Chinese and whatever. I don't even know the guy. Somebody sent my picture in the group and say, Ivany next victim. What the fuck that mean? I can't have friends on TikTok? I can't battle no nigga? Me can't play a match with no man? You're gonna make the people them send it in next. That for sure say you don't have no respect for me, because once them can post it and say, Vani next victim. You basically you not have no respect for me. Because for sure you say a long time you talk about me in a group. Because if the people them in the group know say I'm my so-called bestie. If them did have respect for you and respect the group, in the first place, them would even send in what them send in. Some people can't run no joke in a year group if you did make the people them understand themselves and know say Vanya my friend. You would make them understand, but I know the first you talk about me in a group and at first you say certain things. So them feel comfortable and them feel like them can say anything about me. So that's why I make them say anything. And a long time the people them a tell me, Shay never tell me nothing. You see me a shape on screen for Shay tell me nothing. And the people them spam my comments and tell me. I'm matter of fact my bid no already. I have people in the group. Most of my people them in the group. Me have everybody in there. I never even say nothing bad more than me say. Me I go just block her. I me block her from my page. But it look like you did been one cuss me too. And if me can tell you the truth, I don't even recall if somebody say you ugly in my comments. More while me and you play a match and mix up, me focus on the mix up, me no care. And that for sure you say, you are pre me. So you want to take it to me a pre you. You would have beat me first in pre somebody, you know, because member say, you said the people them call you ugly and me no say nothing. And them a chat me in the group are recent. So that means that when the people them a call you ugly for my life, that come before this a recent thing you were going. So you been have me up long time. But no girl no have no secret for me. So no girl can't cuss me. Sky me never fuck a married man or a married girl from the day I'm born. How much you fuck already? I'm in a moving with people husband. You're there with somebody right now we're legally married. You'd have to run out to Atlanta and go in a one big old motel where the people them husband put you in and when the wife come catch you. I never fuck a married man, I never fuck a married girl. You're there in Miami right now, you're moving with the people them married man. The married girl, I mean, the married girl where she live with, the married girl where she stay with in Miami, the girl don't even live there. The woman still married to her woman. When the woman go work and they on her break, she go visit Sky over there. The woman don't sleep there. If you don't need over favorited, 1 and 2 times you will hear the woman at the background. Always daytime. That woman never did it nighttime. Always daytime. That woman never did it nighttime. It's kind of a secret for me. Do y'all think I'm stupid? For sit down and tell these bitches on TikTok my business? Y'all will never know my business. Me not gonna come telling them my business. Me keep everything to myself. What social media know is what I want social media for know. You're not gonna get my business, so you could have go burst it out like now. Check on your son. Block that bitch. You did fuck me and give me pitney. Somebody block that bitch. I'm not gonna get the highlight where you want. Cause the fact that I gotta get a new hairstyle tomorrow. The fact that you run off the live while I was talking to you and think you clock something, you're delusional. You never clock no tea. Cause you know me that like she know me that gonna knock the nail pan. She know me. You see I'm looking so pretty too tonight. She know the smoke would go come. She did have to run. She run like Usain Bolt. That's why I tell you that look. I will not argue with nobody on TikTok who can face me and talk. It doesn't make sense you're on your live talking about me and the things that you're saying on your live, you can't face me. I fear she can't face me now. That's the thing. She can't face me. That's the thing. You can't face me and talk to me. Because you know your guilt will take you. You know where your people them in the group a chat about everybody. You know your guilt will take you. You know you can't sit down and face me. So you have to just hurry up and say what you say and cut. And you know me that go clock your business in your face. And if you're going like a lie, me draw for my phone. And go in a WhatsApp and scroll. So me understand why you jump. Until you're ready to talk with you, I can clap mine in front of you. Then me talk. Me not go really follow you. Honestly. I'm gonna so fuck more right now. I don't know how people go up and celebrate. Me can't go up on him, I dead. If me not fuck me, I dead. No, for sure. I feel like I'm gonna die. I mean, those groups are dangerous because all they do is talk about people in the group, and Smaddy I go kill one of them. Cause she'll make it be known say she own the group. Look how long Pink Wall they about. Celibans. Why the fuck y'all say celibans? What the no such thing as celibans. Well, that's the new name for it.